I got this phone from a client and it couldn't turn on. Even though we pressed on the power switch, the phone was blank. Let's find out. So I used the screwdriver to open all the screws. Firstly, I opened the metallic casing to expose the battery. I then opened the upper plastic as well. So the first step was to find out whether the battery has power. So the first thing to do is to measure the voltage on the battery, but instead I used my power supply to accurately indicate the voltage of the battery. I used these wires to connect the positive and the negative of the battery. It turns out the battery contained 3.4 volts, which is less than 3.6 volts required for the battery to turn on the phone. So I increased the voltage on my power supply to around 4 volts in order to charge the battery. When the battery reached around 3.7 volts, it was able to indicate on the phone that the phone was charging. So now the repairing part was done. Very simple. I used the metallic casing to close the battery and then put back the screws. And now try to switch on the phone, showing that the phone was working normally. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.